Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will examine situations where an individual who is not enrolled to practice before the Internal Revenue Service might nonetheless represent a taxpayer before the IRS. Individuals are permitted to represent themselves before the Internal Revenue Service as long as they provide proper identification to the IRS. In other circumstances, an individual may represent another taxpayer before the IRS, provided that the individual can sufficiently demonstrate that he or she is authorized to represent the taxpayer. An individual may, for example, represent a member of his or her own immediate family before the Internal Revenue Service. Other examples of this type of representation would include an employer representing a full-time employee or an employee representing his or her employer before the IRS.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.